Next, part 3 is about the subjective pronoun. Kita mulai dari subjective pronouns yang paling dasar. Okay, let's take a look. On the left side ada subject yang dimulai dari I is me, and then he is for a boy, man, and then she, this is for girl, woman. It is for animal, and then for things, and then you, we is plural, more than one, and then the last one is they. Yeah, the same as we, more than one. So let's repeat after me. I, he, she, it, you, we, they. That's good. On the right side, there is a subjective pronouns and then verbs. Okay, let's take a look. Brian sings. Brian is a boy, so we can change it into he. He sings. Lita sings. Lita is a girl. It could be she. She sings. Next, Brian and Lita sing. Remember, when more than one person, so it will use verb without s or es. Brian and Lita sing. So Brian and Lita, it could be changed into they sing. The cat runs. Look, the cat is animal, so the subjective pronouns, it will be it runs. Next, the cat and the dog run. Remember, when more than one, so it use verb without s or es. The cat and the dog, more than one, the subjective pronoun is they run. Moi moi runs. Moi moi is one of my pet, so then the gender is female. It could be changed into she. Kok kenapa moi moi pakainya she, padahal kan dia animal? Kenapa nggak pakai subjective pronoun yang it? Karena yang pertama, walaupun dia animal, dia jelas memiliki nama. Yang kedua, dia jelas kita tahu apakah dia hewan laki-laki atau hewan perempuan. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan subjective pronouns-nya sesuai dengan gendernya. Alright, in the next video I will give you the example of subjective pronouns. Kita coba sama-sama pelajari dan kita bareng-bareng merubah dari kalimat yang bold yang di atas kayak biru-biru yang bold, orange-orange yang bold ke yang lebih samar sedikit. Okay, let's take a look. My students write. My students, it can be changed into they write. Pizza is delicious. Pizza is a food. It's only one, so it can be changed into it is delicious. Elizabeth is beautiful. I'm so sorry, harusnya bukan Elizabeth lagi, tapi she is beautiful. Next, Bandung is crowded. Bandung, the name of place, the name of city, so we use it is crowded. My parents love moi moi. Moi moi is my pet, is my cat. So my parents, because it's more than one, father and mother, it will be changed into they love moi moi. My parents and I love moi moi. Here, when using my parents and I itu kan berarti kita termasuk ke dalam bagiannya. Maka kita menggunakan we love moi moi. Okay, after the materials, I'll give you the exercise 3 about the subjective pronouns. Di situ teman-teman tinggal ngelengkapin aja ya. Nanti aku kasih dalam bentuk image-nya. Next, kita akan ngebahas tentang subjective pronouns be verb ya teman-teman. Okay, let's take a look. I am jadinya I'm. He is his. She is she's. It is its. You are your. We are we're. They are their. Kita akan menggunakan yang singkatannya biar nanti akan berkelanjutan ke materi selanjutnya, yaitu negative sentence and question. Let's look the example. I'm a student. Okay, because I is only one, so we have to use a. So don't forget to use a or an ketika memang bendanya hanya satu gitu. Okay. Next, he's a student. Of course, we use a. Kenapa? Karena he itu hanya satu dan dia laki-laki, jadi udah jelas. Jadi so kita pakainya a student. It's a cat. You're a teacher. We're teachers. Nah, bagian we're ini kita nggak menggunakan artikel a apa an karena we're itu kan more than one orangnya. So, teachers-nya jangan lupa untuk ditambahkan plural menggunakan s. They're teachers. Sama kayak we're, they're juga lebih dari satu orangnya. So, teachers noun-nya itu kita gunakan as sebagai kalimat plural yang menandakan bahwa subjeknya lebih dari satu. They're teachers. Next, I would like to describe about myself. I'm a woman. I'm a teacher. I'm an Indonesian. I'm an animal lover. Okay, using an karena huruf pertamanya yaitu adalah vowels. Don't forget when you find the vowels in the first letter, so you have to use an. And the last one is I'm businesswoman. So after this, I'll give you the exercise. Don't forget to do your exercise. I'm waiting.